Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Stripe for 1099 details and downloadable reports step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Stripe website. Log into your Stripe account using your registered email address and password. Once you're logged in, find the dashboard on the main page. Look for the Reports section in the left-hand menu. Click on Reports to expand the options available. In the Reports section, you will see various report types. To find 1099 details, locate the Tax Documents option. Select Tax Documents to access your tax-related information. You may need to provide your business details if prompted. Review the information presented to confirm its accuracy. To download your 1099 forms, look for the download icon next to the relevant document. Click on the download icon to initiate the download. The document will be saved to your computer's default download location. If you need additional reports, return to the Reports menu. Select the type of report you wish to generate. Fill out any required parameters, like date range or report type. Once you've selected your parameters, click on Run Report. Wait for the report to generate. This may take a few moments. After the report is ready, you will see an option to download it. Click on the Download button to save the report to your device. Follow this process for any additional reports you need to download. Remember to regularly check for updates or new tax documents in the same section. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.